If you give me 5 minutes of your time, I will teach you a skill that will help you stand out in Zazzle marketplace in a very saturated niche. As a Zazzle seller, you know how important it is to have customizable product in your store listing, especially the ones with personalized photo in it. Let's say you plan to create such product and start researching by going to Zazzle search bar today. Right off the bat, you encounter with fierce amount of competition. In this time of recording, there is over a million of listings with this keyword. Then you might think this niche is oversaturated and I shouldn't compete with this crowd market. But if you stop and think about it, this is a good indication that there is money to be made here. So instead of running off, I want you to look closely how every listing have resemble similarity. And notice only a handful of listings stand out from the crowd by just using different shapes of masking elements. Are you seeing what I am seeing? So I said to myself, if I only know how to create and use unique masking frames to create template product like this or this one, I might have a chance to stand out in this crowded marketplace. Guess what? I figured out how to create unique masking frame elements and I'm going to share it with you guys for free. I only ask if you have found value in this video, and if you know someone who sells in Zazzle marketplace, just share with them and like this video so that YouTube will know it is a valuable content and spread it to other people who might need this information as well. Is that too much to ask? If not, I will give you a few seconds to do that while I'm getting ready my computer. Thank you. I'm ready. To create these types of frame, you will need a free software called Inkscape. After uploading and installing the software, open a blank document in Inkscape and create any shape you like. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a star shape from the polygon tool. I create this star by holding Ctrl key to have equal proportion in the shape. Then fill it with solid color. When you are happy with the shape you created, export the file as SVG. For those of you who don't know, SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics with 300 dpi. dpi is again a technical term meaning dot per inch. When printing, this amount of ink per dot will be used. That means your product is high quality image. So Inkscape has a different file exporting format. Just choose plain SVG from the drop down menu and upload that image to your Zazzle design tool. Bring your template photo and before masking it, make the photo as a template object so that customers can replace it with their own image. After that, send it backward and put the frame on top and position it in the place you want it to be. Make sure the picture is bigger than the frame. As you are selecting both, press mask button. Here you have it. Now you know how to create your own custom masking frame to stand out in this crowded place and even have a chance to make real money. If you like this, in next video I will show you the more advanced way of creating a masking frame like this one. So for that, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that YouTube will tell you when I publish that content. Until then, if you want to learn how I use and turn free stock image to create personalized product for my Zazzle store, watch this video next.